Hey again, everybody. July 1st. Here's the Astro Excel chart. A look at the coming month. We have a really unique situation this month where we're getting into extreme bullish territory. I haven't seen the numbers like this in quite some time. I put the weekly out yesterday, and I mentioned how we were getting into the this bullish mode tomorrow, and that we were hitting this early month peak on the day of the 4th of July where we have no trading. Anyway, we rolled back then off the 4th. Over the weekend, we bottom out here about +5, +6, and then we start moving up again. And we're getting this next big peak on the 8th, and we're hitting at the +35 area here, and then we move down, but we're still above +20, except for this little dip here where we go down to about 15.5 on the 10th. Then after that, we hit our largest peak that we've seen in some time between the 11th and the 12th here, where the green line goes up and off the chart. We are actually going to peak out here at 47.8. If I click on our data sheet here and bring that in, you can see the numbers in column E here, the 47.8. That is the green line data level that we're looking at on the graph. And that's a number that hasn't been seen in quite some time. So that moves up in that area on the 11th and 12th, and then the market starts, or the graph starts to move back down to the inside the 20 level, but it's still bullish all the way out to the 19th, where it drops back inside the 10 lines. And then the only other period of the month where we go below zero, other than the 1st and 2nd here, is when we move down into the 20th to the 22nd, and then we get back above zero, then up above +10. We're basically above the +10, between the +10 and +20 for the rest of the month. And then on the 31st, we have another big push up above the 20 line here. But the early part of this month is exceptionally bullish, and the month itself is mostly giving us big bullish indication. So we'll be back and we'll take a look at this week by week as we trade through this period in July.